Hey Foxies, my name is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and if you're returning, welcome back. Like always, this is never about subscribers, nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, we're gonna get into this video. Today's video is gonna be about GLAMNETIC. We're reviewing the GLAMNETIC liners, and we also got some lashes to try out. We got the style Vogue and Birthday Fish, and I'm gonna have to show y'all these because these are so cute. Like, gorge. They're so gorgeous. I hope that the camera really does adjust and pick that up because they're so freaking gorgeous. Regardless, we're gonna be trying, to be honest, I might be trying both because I actually wanted to do one colored liner here and then one colored liner on top, more for the look, but I thought it would be kind of funny to apply the lashes up there and see if these work. These lashes are supposed to be magnetic to this liner. You can also get it in black, and they also come in another few colors. I ended up getting this blue, which is in, let me see. So this blue is in sapphire, and this purple one's in purple jade, and honestly they're so gorgeous, they're so sickening. So we're gonna go ahead and open these bad boys up and try them because they're honestly so gorgeous. I think I'm gonna go with the blue here. Y'all will see, y'all will see. Okay. So we're gonna go in with the sapphire one, and it is gorgeous. It's felt tip, and I'm obsessed. So let's just go straight in.
Will you still be here? Na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na 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 na. Will you still?
By the way, you guys, eyeliner hack: use tape. It really does help, especially for people that are just starting. I feel like this helps my eyeliner game so much. It comes out so even, and the only thing you really gotta focus on getting even is pretty much this part right here that I'm doing right now. That's really the only part you have to really focus on getting right. The rest of it is pretty easy and fast. This color is honestly so stunning, and I can't wait to see what the purple jade one looks like because I'm obsessed with this one. Y'all know I love me some colored liners, but the only problem with the liners that I would get was that basically when you would try to apply lash glue to this area, it would not work. Like, it would basically take off the whole liner and defeat the whole purpose. So I'm excited to see what this GLAMNETIC liner is gonna do. Apologize, I'm a perfectionist. I really like to get everything down right. But yeah, stunning, gorgeous, I'm obsessed, and I'm like, wow, okay. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and make it a little bit thicker, just because we have a pretty basic liner. So now we're gonna go in and we're gonna do the purple up here. So this one's purple jade, and like I said, we're gonna use it up here. That is gorgeous. I'm obsessed. They're both so stunning. Okay. just gonna go in and fix it and I'll be right back. They're so gorgeous. And you guys, what's so cool about these lashes is you do not need to worry about the mess of glue. You don't have to worry about the mess of glue getting in your eye. You don't have to worry about the mess on the glue. Like, the glue on your lashes is what I mean to say. Let's try these on and let's see if they really work. I'm trying to get them close to my lash line.
No one can do it like you.
But they seem to be sticking and it's kind of freaking me out a little bit because I'm like, what kind of technology is this? That's amazing. You can tug and you can pull on them and they don't come off. This style of lash is so gorgeous. I would highly recommend. Actually, we can still do that. So I do feel like it does give me a little bit of a part between my lashes and these, but that's not a problem. Oh my god, these are actually so cool. Okay. So the lash comes with 6 magnets on the lash, and that is what makes the GLAMNETIC liners work. They actually do have magnet, I guess, in them, or I don't really know. I'm telling you, technology, it's mind-blowing me, and all you really have to do is put on some lashes to cover that in between, so that way they look blended. But yeah, I'm gonna do that with y'all so y'all can see what it really looks like after that's done. So obviously, gonna curl my lashes. I'm not even joking. If you would have asked me 5 days ago if this was gonna work, I would have told you no. I would have probably laughed in your face. But I'm honestly so shocked by the results, and I can't wait to put the lash on. I'm trying to put some mascara on right now, so that way the blend in between is, you know, it's blended. My lashes are blended together. Okay, so just gonna be putting on some mascara, so that way my eyelashes will blend with the false lashes. But honestly, these lashes look so stunning, and I'm honestly really shocked that they work. Alright, so I'm gonna put the lash back on now, and it's so cool because I don't have to reapply glue or anything like that, and the lash is still clean. That's amazing. And just like that. You get it really close to your lash line, and then you got yourself some lashes. Oh my god, that is so cool. Okay. That's amazing. Okay, well obviously y'all can tell I was not planning on this actually working, and I'm actually shocked that it works. And it's so cool because you get to use these lashes over 40 times. They say that you can use these over 40 times, and I would not doubt it even more, because literally I'm pretty sure you can use these more than 40 times. Like, there's no mess, there's no glue, and especially if you're somebody that doesn't like the whole putting glue on your lashes and stuff like that, this skips that step, and you literally just put eyeliner on and you just connect your lash. That's pretty much it. And honestly, stunning. Like, I feel stunning, I feel gorgeous. These lashes are everything, and you can tug. You can literally tug. That's amazing. I'm like, all you would have to do is literally reapply it, refix it, get it close to your lash line, and then you're good. That's amazing. I also want to mention that this is a female-founded company, and I'm honestly so happy for y'all because y'all are doing something that has never been done before, and I'm pretty sure if it has been done before, it wasn't done the right way, because I've tried lashes in the past and they were just a no. They were just a no for me, like and I got them at Walmart. I'm not even sure what brand they were, but honestly the magnet in them just did not work. Like, it just did not work with my eye. Oh, it was the double lashes. It was the one that, like, you put one lash on the bottom and one lash on top, and it's supposed to, like, girl, don't even bother going for that. Like, literally, I would highly suggest these. They're so stunning. They look so freaking gorgeous. This is a style birthday bish, but they have literally 17 other styles for you to choose from. So go get you some GLAMNETIC lashes and some GLAMNETIC liner. They come in these colors, obviously. They come in black, obviously, and they have other choices for you to choose from. So I would highly suggest for you to go check them out. It also says that you can get 70 plus uses out of these liners, which is a lot, like a lot. I have a very little liners just because I feel like they run out so fast. So I'm really excited for these to last a long time, and also that they're colored. I'm obsessed with that. If you want to just go with a black one, you can also do that. It's still going to do the same thing. It's still going to have a magnet on your lashes, and they're still going to stick to the GLAMNETIC liner. So that's amazing. This is literally gonna change your lash game for life, you guys. When I tell you, like, you probably won't even need to buy any more lashes. Like, if you literally buy these lashes, you will be able to reuse them and reuse them and reuse them over and over and over again, and that's amazing. Especially if you're somebody that, like, has trouble with their lashes coming off or feeling uncomfortable, which I don't feel that. I don't feel the uncomfortableness, and actually I do want to talk about that, because usually lashes have like this inner corner like sticking out or something, and when you glue it down, it's literally just poking you in the eye over and over. And with these, I'm gonna be real honest with y'all, no. It doesn't even have it. Like, it literally doesn't even have it, because you're skipping the whole problem of like gluing it to your eye. It's literally just magnets. So I guess there's nothing sticking out here. There's nothing poking, nothing uncomfortable. I'm obsessed. And you can tell the difference. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one, do the rest of my face off camera. I'll come back and show y'all basically the after. And also, just for jokes, I really want to see this magnet. I'm gonna put the lash up here so y'all can see what it looks like, just so y'all can see that it does work and it does stick. Oh yeah, it works. I'm like, these magnets are pretty strong. They're trying to stick to each other, but I'm trying to show y'all. Look at that, look at that. Okay, yeah, they're a little bit too strong next to each other, but like, do y'all see that? That is so cool. I don't know about y'all, you guys, but I'm mind blown that these lashes literally have magnets on them. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna have to go finish my face. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when I get back. And we're gonna talk a little bit more about GLAMNETIC, because obsessed. So my final thoughts on these GLAMNETIC liners and these GLAMNETIC lashes, you guys. Honestly, I am so freaking obsessed. I really was not planning or like thinking this was gonna work, but it ended up working. The lashes are on. They honestly look sickening. I haven't tried them to, or like tried to wear them out all day, so I'm not sure about the all day wear. That is something I am gonna mention. But for somebody like myself that likes to take pictures just to throw on some lashes, I'm like, you can even change them. If you're feeling like you get bored of these throughout the day, you can change them into other lashes and not have to worry about the glue messing up your makeup or the glue messing up the lashes or any of the problems that you would have with regular lashes and glue. So I would still highly suggest these. I am really obsessed, and like I said, I am really shocked that they worked, because I really was not thinking that they were gonna work, but you know, to my surprise, they did work. So with that being said, I would highly recommend GLAMNETIC lashes, you guys. Like I said, I'm wearing the style Birthday Bish, and they have also sent the style Vogue, which is just as gorgeous. It's honestly so stunning. So yeah, I hope that y'all go pick some up, go pick up some liners. They come in, like I said, several colors, black as well if you just want a regular black liner. And yeah, I hope that y'all enjoyed this look. If y'all want a tutorial on this look, let me know in the comments, and I will make sure to make one very, very soon. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, and I'll see y'all then. Alright, bye Foxies.